LineageOS is an Android-based operating system for mobile devices, which gives you the ability to update your phone to the latest software. In this video, I will be upgrading from Lineage 21 to Lineage 22.1, which upgrades your phone from Android 14 to Android 15, using my Motorola 15G Ace phone. To start, go to lineageos.org. Make sure you select the option to upgrade to a higher version of Lineage. Next, download the LineageOS install package, which is the Lineage-22.1 zip file, which is all you need. In my previous Android 14 upgrade video, I did not download the Google apps because the Google apps will remain on the phone during the upgrade. However, in this video, I will also download the Google apps. Now return to the installation instructions. For step 2, I will be downloading the Google apps. I will select the appropriate ARM64 architecture for Android 15, and I will download the Mind the Gaps zip file. Now that I have downloaded the Google Apps file, Mind the Gaps, I will return to the installation instructions. Next, there's a note to ensure your computer has a working ADB. Go to the setup instructions, then download the zip file and extract it. Next, on your computer, what you'll need to do is open the system environment variables. You can type env in the search menu on your computer. Then you go to environment variables, click path, then edit, then you click new. Now paste the file path to where you saved your file. I saved all of my files on the C drive. Next, click OK. Then go back to the installation main page. Now you will need to ensure that you have Android Studio installed. I had it installed from a previous upgrade, but I will go over most of the steps. The instructions state that there are 2 ways to get the driver. Either download the Google USB zip or download the Android SDK. I recommend you download the Android SDK. Once you open the SDK, it takes a bit to load. Now click on More Actions, then SDK Manager, then select SDK Tools at the top. I chose to select some options which were outdated, even though they were already installed on my computer. You should select everything listed in the instructions, especially Google USB driver. I couldn't update the Intel emulator, but my installation was still successful. Now you will type in the commands, which are not extensive. The first command verifies that ADB sees your device. As you can see, there were no devices listed when I typed ADB devices because I didn't put my phone in developer mode. Once I selected developer mode on my phone, it appeared as attached. The next command puts your phone in recovery mode. As you can see, I received an error on that command because there was a message on my phone which I needed to accept. Once I did that, I was able to enter the reboot command successfully. The next command allows your computer to install the zip file to your phone. Both of those steps take about 2 minutes each. While running the zip command, I did receive an error message, but if you look at the installation instructions, you are informed that error message is common and to just proceed to the next step. Now we'll arrive at step 7. After reboot to recovery, before the first reboot, you are now able to run the Mind Gaps zip in order to install the Google apps. After a final reboot, 3 minutes later your system will load normally, with mostly all previous build files intact. I did not notice any major changes, and the entire process was quick.